Yeah, we got an M4, bro. Yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Roman. Guess we're back again with another video, POV video, as you guys can see. Got the GTI in the background, but hey man, back again with another one. One thing I'm gonna give you is a cold start for this. So, man, it's kind of cold. Well, it's not really cold, but as you guys can see, there's a lot of clouds and everything, bro. But yeah, man, quickly give you all a cold start for this. Bro, we definitely need to drive this car. I'm not sure if you guys can hear me, but we definitely have to take this out before it says that. I don't know, bro, but yeah, man. As you can see, I'm at home right now. I'm about to head out of here. I don't know, I'm going to get like a young haircut for me. Just running errands, basically. Bro, I feel like the only time I'm out is if I'm running errands, bro. But yeah, man. Other than that, whew. Alright, bro. Let me quickly head out, bro. Alright, yeah. So, yeah. There you go. I don't know, bro. Let me know. Do y'all like it when I like yap or yeah, man? Or should I like stay quiet? I don't know, bro. But yeah, man, temps are still low, as y'all can see, bro. But ooh, bro, the G20 looks nice. G20 looks nice, bro. Might be a lot of wind noise. The potholes here, bro. Bro, one thing about South African, bro, freaking potholes, bro. Like, there's a lot. It's quite a lot, bro. But let me just make sure that y'all don't hear the wind too much. I hope y'all can't. But one thing, bro, I need to get the proper camera, bro. Yeah. So it can be like here, feel me? But recording like this is kind of, I don't know, bro. But I feel like this is proper, though. This view is proper, right, chat? And I need to get that fixed, bro. As you guys can see, bro. That's a T. Bro, I don't know, bro. Yeah, see if I can like get this view, bro. I'm good. We chilling. You guys already know, bro. I'm gonna stick to this, bro. My hand getting tired, bro. My hand's getting way too tired. This is probably bad because, as y'all can see, bro, the temps are still low, bro. The temps are still low. Like, nah, hell nah. Jimmy, hope you're like having a proper day. Feel me? Bro, I'm sick, bro. If I cough, I'm sorry, bro. I am so sorry, bro. Like, I'm getting sick, bro. Like, this weather, bro, this weather's been acting weird because one day it's hot as hell, the next day freaking raining, bro. Like, make up your mind, bro. Just make up your mind, bro. But yeah, man, this video was supposed to be up yesterday. Recording this on Saturday, yeah. Whew. Terrorizing the suburbs, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna name that this, bro. Bro, what am I saying? I'm gonna name the video title that, bro. Terrorizing the suburbs. Ooh. Yes, sir. Oh, come on, bro. Is the freaking... Oh, shit. Don't tell me I cut the wheels, bro. Bro, don't tell me I cupped the wheels, bro. Ain't no way. I think I did, bro. I think I did. Oh, no. Check, we got an M4, bro. Boy! Ah, bro! Yo! Chat! Boy! Boy, this thing is sexy, bro. Oh, nah, chat. Boy, nah, I need an M4, bro. Too much wind noise, bro. Way too much wind noise, bro. Good thing I got that, bro. Like, bro, what the? Nah, boy. Damn, bro. I need an M4, bro. I need one. Most definitely need one, bro. Hell nah. There's no way, bro. There is no way, bro. Nah, that was amazing, bro. That was amazing. What the hell? But yeah, man, we're at the rich neighborhood right now. Alright. Yeah, bro. Nah, that was amazing. What the hell? Yeah, bro, good thing I got that on video, bro. Good thing I got that on video. I just hope that the windows wasn't too much, because my windows were like, oh, bro, this guy's way too low also. My windows are like open, bro. My windows are open. God damn, bro. Bro. Oh, damn, bro. Like, chat. Bro, this thing is way too low, bro. Feel like I'm a script. Oh, yo, one thing I like about Mayor's Dal, bro. Look at this lineup, bro. Look at this. We got a Golf 8R, and we got the 7 on air, bro. On air. Nah, boy. Wait, hold on. I need to show you all this, bro. The thing is too clean, bro. It is way too clean. Damn, bro. Ooh, that M4 though. Nah, that's a clean lineup, bro. I'm not gonna lie. That is a clean lineup. Bro, my phone's about to die. Good thing I went back, fetched my charger, bro. Like, my phone charging right now, as you can see. But, wait, hold on. Let me quickly show you this lineup, bro. Bro, look at that, bro. That is too clean. Mad, bro. You just made it out of here. Bro, this car suspension is so stiff, bro. I mean, it's a sports car, but still, though. Bro, how's the temperature still cold, bro? What is it? What's the transmission oil? Bro, the roads are so uneven, bro. Like, what the? Oh, shit. Get out of here. There you go. I feel like the wind noise might be a little bit too much, bro. It might be a little bit too much. Nice. Let's see, bro. One thing I hate, bro. I'm yapping. See? Here we go with the yapping, bro. Let me know, chat. Should I stop yapping, bro? Like, I be yapping way too much, bro. Too much yap, bro. I need to shut up, like, for real, chat. Bro, them niggas is driving slow as hell. Alright. Quick POV drive, bro. Way too much wind noise, bro. There's usually cops on this road, bro, so I need to be careful. Like, for real. Plus, I'm holding my phone, bro, which is like kinda illegal, you know. But quickly got a haircut. You guys already know, bro. I'm like going 19 or 60, bro. Wait, what? Nah, I did not say that. I did not say that, bro. I'm like going 60 right now. Chat, do y'all think like the court can like bring this up? Because I haven't seen like a lot of people that do POV drives in South Africa, bro. But bro, this 4 Series is ugly, my boy. Look at that. Hell no. That thing is ugly, bro. You're driving hella slow. Is that a 420? Yeah, it's a 420, bro. But that, it's a 4-door, bro. Hell no. Hell no. A little bit of cutting up, bro. Yeah. Might be a lot of wind noise, Brian, trying to do all that. Bro, and I'm so sorry for being inconsistent, bro. I'm gonna try to give y'all a video at least once a week, bro. Once a week, cause bro, I don't be going out like that, bro. Like, I'm always chilling at home, bro. Like that ass chat, bro. I'm spamming. Thank you for moving. How are y'all waiting for, bro? Bro, the way I'm holding the camera, bro, I don't know, bro. I need to buy a head mount, bro. I need to order one as soon as I get home. As soon as I get home, bro. Damn. There's a puddle. Like, come on, bro. I feel like I'm terrorizing. Yeah, bro, you're driving mad slow, bro. Alright, bro, that's gonna be it for the POV drive. I'm heading home right now, so yeah, man. I mean, bro, we just literally drove, bro. We just drove. What I say, doing a little bit of cutting? I don't know, bro. Guess you'll be the judge of it. But comment down below. Definitely have to take the GTI out sometime, bro. Most definitely. God damn. Over rev. Alright, chat, we're gonna end it over here. Hope you guys did enjoy this POV drive for me. But yeah, man, other than that, guess I'm gonna see y'all on the next one, bro.